Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Timisoara, Romania, and this is my initial walkthrough. Let's go take a look. And so it's rainy and nasty, and so I just left my room, and so I think this is the, oh boy, the main square. Wow. Wow, okay. And it's raining, so if it starts getting real wet, I'm gonna have to shut this down. But what I'm really looking for are grocery stores, because I have no food and it doesn't look like much is open. Wow, this square is amazing. Wow. Wow. And the building colors are amazing. Huh. Wow. Yeah, is that cool or what? Wow. Huh. And I don't know what all these are, and this blue one here behind me, and this one looks like a church too, but all right, I'm sorry, I'm going fast. I'll try to slow down a little bit. I just get excited, okay? This one looks like it's going through refurbishing, but it looks like they've done the rest of these already. Yeah, wow. That's pretty amazing. Huh. Very cool. And there's lots of these little side streets. So here's another, well, let's just go down that side street over there. That sound good? And I won't walk on the grass. We'll go over here. You know, and it's funny that, what is that, brass, copper, whatever that thing is. It's pretty crazy. Hello, little girl. No? Wow. The colors are amazing. Oh, and there's a fountain here in the middle too. That's kind of cool. Wow, okay. So there's going to be some exploring to do. Okay, let's just go down this other side street. So we'll just go up and down these side streets and see what we see. So I live on that one. You see the light purple one right there? If you turn left right there, that's the one I live on. These stones are really slick. Hear my feet squeaking? And I can't believe today is Easter of all times. I thought I just got past Easter in Hungary. That's some weird art, huh? The little guy holding up a lady. Okay. And you can see how much is open. Nothing. Cute little streets. What's down here? Is there another square? And I guess Marbella, is that her name? They'll let me into the room. She said it might be closed today and tomorrow and the next day or something, but man. Look at that building, that's amazing. Huh. Alright, we'll keep going. It does look like there's a square down here because there's little balls down there on the ground. Huh. And the weather forecast looks like it's going to be pretty crappy like this for the next few days. Wow, okay. A train right through the the square here. You know, I always get excited about what's going to be around this corner when you look. Shops. Okay. Well, let's see. What is this thing? Is this like it's another statue. Is this like a little soccer field? No, what is this? Huh. It's something down there, huh? All right. I'm going to go left. Now I have to learn a whole new currency, I think. But I think they use Huff, but I don't know for sure. So I guess I'm going to find out over time here. Oh, this is that little, I guess it's an Easter. Nobody's here because it's rainy and nasty. And another little side street under construction now. And they've got food here at least, so I can probably buy myself a dinner. But I need a grocery store. I need to get some milk and some other stuff. That might not happen today, family. Well, we might as well go through the square, huh? Show you the stuff. Oh, it smells wonderful. Wow. And this is what we're looking at. Yeah, most of these, half of them are closed. There's a big statue in there too. And these are those funnel cake things. Cool. All right. Well, here's this. Let's go this way because it looks like there's a bunch of people heading this way. And there's kind of Bugs Bunny's brother. Oh, it's the big church down here. Huh. Well, I wonder if this little central market's open. It looks like it is open. Well, if it's open, I'll go to this church up here and we'll look at this church. And then I'll come back and do the central market and take it all home. Yeah, central market looks open, maybe. Maybe. We'll see. Oh, okay. There's a McDonald's. Wow, it is a little wet. I guess you can tell by all the umbrellas, huh? I don't have an umbrella. Here's another interesting thing I found. In these countries where the people are pretty much shorter, all their umbrellas hit me really, like right in the face. Wow, look at that building too. Polincia? Wow. And look at this scaffolding thing. That's pretty amazing. Huh. Wow. I wonder what that is. That's weird. It could be a McDonald's day, everybody. Look at that church. That is amazing. And this square is amazing. Wow. Wow, that's really cool. The flowers and the... What kind of flowers are those, everybody? That's a pretty view, isn't it? Wow. And look at these buildings. They're incredible. Boy, this fountain's amazing. What you miss? Thank you. Boy, I hope that one's right. You know, I just spit out words these days and hope for the best. That's a heck of a fountain. And the church behind it looks amazing. Wow. Well, here's another central market, so maybe I can go in there and get some milk and yogurt and bread. And look at they have a Romulus and Remus, Maximus, or what is that right? Romulus and Remus? Yeah, the two kids underneath the wolf, the she-wolf that raised them. But that's the Roman thing, right? So I wonder if this was a Roman temple at one time. Wow. Yeah, that's pretty amazing. Wow. I wonder if we can go in there. If I blink wrong, it'll be closed the next couple of days. That's a statue too. That's cool. Wow, and look at the roofs too. They're all tiled. That's amazing. Can you see all those? Wow. Yeah, that's pretty amazing, huh? Little kids art stuff. All right, well, this is my first initial walkthrough of Where am I at today, everybody? Timisoara. And so I think I'm going to end the video here, and then I think I'm going to go across this street and go into this church. What an amazing place. Look at all those flowers too. That is just spectacular. Wow, wow. That building's amazing too. Very, 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 very cool. Okay, everybody. Well, that's it for me. Bye.